Uttara National Narayani Madrasa, Noria, Shariatpur. Welcome to online class. This session is about punctuation. What is punctuation? To express a sentence meaningfully, we need to take rest or pause to indicate the pausing place. Some signs are used. These signs are called punctuation marks. Now, I am going to discuss punctuation marks. First of all, full stop. At the end of a sentence, full stop is used. For example, I eat rice. Full stop. After short form of little, apostrophe is used. For example, Akif is an M, full stop is semicolon. When two parts of a sentence are closed related, semicolon is used. Example, work hard, otherwise you will not pass. Comma. When we take the short rest in a sentence, comma is used. For example, lemon, little, litu, Kamal, stand up. Note of interrogation. At the end of sentence, question mark is used. Example, what is your name? Exclamation point. The exclamation point is used at the end of a sentence to indicate great surprise. It is also used for emphasis when making a point strongly feeling excitement. For example, be careful not to use the exclamation mark too often. What a wonderful day it is. That night was fantastic. Colon. To indicate any example, colon is used. For example, there are two kinds of number: singular number, plural. Apostrophe. To indicate omission of letters and the genitive case of noun, apostrophe is used. For example, she can't join the party. This is all for today. Take to you in the next online class. Keep well. Assalamu alaikum.